There is a new AI tool that you need to start using. And this is especially for my bloggers and my content creators. It is gonna change the way that you actually create content, especially written content for your scripts, for your captions, for your actual blog posts, or even articles that you're writing. It's completely free. Like, you do not need to put a credit card to actually sign up. It is 100% free. And that is Google Docs AI. I'm gonna show you how to sign up now. You're gonna go to labs.withgoogle.com. You're gonna scroll down and it's gonna go to the second button right here where it says unlock new ways of working with AI, and you're gonna hit join waitlist. You're gonna scroll down, agree to the terms, and now you've successfully gotten in. And then you're gonna go into Google Docs and open a new document. And you're gonna see here, welcome to Workspace Labs. And then you're just gonna say, got it. And then now if you click here, there's actually a help me write. So you're gonna click on that. And then you're gonna enter your prompt. So let's write a blog post. Write a blog post about luxury beauty trends for summer 2023. Then you're just gonna hit create and it's loading. Okay, and then it pops up an actual blog post for you. And obviously you can read this and you can edit it and add your own style, but then you can hit insert. And then you have a complete blog post right here. I hope that was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit the follow button where I share how to simplify your blogging process and your content creation process with ChatGPT and AI.